In this video, I will tell you how to download and install Obsidian. So for that, we'll go to Google and type Obsidian, and this is the website obsidian.md. So what is Obsidian? Obsidian in the website, it's defined as a second brain for you forever. So it is just like note-taking software. Maybe for example other note-taking softwares you may have used like Evernote or Apple Notes, or maybe the new versions like Remnote, Rome Research. So Obsidian is just like those softwares. So here I will download for Mac OS. You can also get it for Windows as well as Linux. So just click it and it will get downloaded. So Obsidian is also known as a personal knowledge management software, or it is also called smart notes. So when I will show you Obsidian in my next videos, I will tell you what do we mean by smart notes and how smart note taking can improve our effectiveness, our productivity. We will wait here till it gets downloaded. So once it is downloaded, simply click to open it. And drag it to your applications folder. And now we are ready to launch Obsidian. On the first launch, it will ask you to open or create a vault. Vault is nothing but the folders are called vaults in Obsidian. So you need to provide one folder which will act as an Obsidian vault, which means it will store all the markdown files inside that folder. So if you are doing it for the first time, you need to create a vault. Otherwise, you can even open an existing vault. So let me show you how to create a new vault. So two things need to be given. One is the vault name and the second one is the vault location. So maybe I will give it a name of notes. Randomly, you can give it any other name. And for location, what I will do is I will go to my home folder and I will create one folder here. I'm naming it Obsidian Vault. You can name whatever you like. And the same folder's path I'll give here. Once done, click create. And it will open that folder as your vault. Here you can create new note. You can even create new subfolders. And in my next videos, I will show you how to use Obsidian as well as its mobile app that has come recently. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.